You're watching 11 News at 5.
We're hearing about a potentially dangerous situation with flat irons.
Was smoking so bad that it just fell apart.
We'll tell you what you should know before you plug in your flat iron.
A popular styling product is generating a good deal of complaints from consumers.
Yeah, they say their flat iron is faulty and can even catch fire.
In fact, one consumer showed reporter Rox Russell what she says is proof.
Actual smoke started coming out.
Amanda Dykeman is a fan of flat irons, just not fires.
And I literally had to throw it on the counter, and it burnt the counter.
But she says the Paul Mitchell flat iron she recently bought got a lot hotter than it should have.
I didn't know what was going on. You know, it's not normal. I mean, it's normal to have steam come out, but when there's actual smoke coming out, that's when it's like something's wrong.
These are pictures of what she says happened at her home. Smoke instead of steam, a charred countertop, and some frayed nerves.
It's still a scary situation.
We checked online and found complaints from other consumers who claim to have had close calls while using Paul Mitchell flat irons. It's not a cheap product, retailing for about $150. Some say that's just too much to pay for something like this to occur. This particular model, bearing the Paul Mitchell name, is made in China, and an attorney considering a class action lawsuit believes that places consumers at risk.
You have a reputable company who's been in business for a long time putting their brand name on a product that comes from overseas. There needs to be more regulations for these type products, but people think they're getting a good, with a good name, they're getting a good product.
Late today, a Paul Mitchell spokesperson told us the particular model in question was no longer in production, but that the company had sold more than 100,000 of the tools and received just a handful of complaints.
If someone's hair catches on fire, I mean, that could be a real tragedy for somebody.
But a woman who spends money to look good is convinced one investment nearly caused her harm. In downtown Houston, Rox Russell, 11 News.